So friends, if you are using Bank of Maharashtra's Zen Lyfe application and if you want to know how to transfer money from this application to other bank account, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Zen Lyfe application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, in order to do fund transfer or money transfer from your bank account to other bank account, all you have to do is just simply select fund transfer option on home page. Once you select fund transfer, at the top in from account, it will show your account because we are going to transfer money from our account to other bank account. So make sure this is selected. In transfer type, if you want to transfer money from your account to your other bank account, then in that case you need to select own. Now if you're transferring money from your account to other account, but that account is of Bank of Maharashtra only, then in that case you need to select within bank. And for other bank, it means like you're transferring money from your account to other bank account which is of other bank like HDFC, IDFC, Kotak Bank, or it might be of IndusInd Bank. So in that case you have to select other bank option. Now in other bank you can see I have already added a pay and this is of Axis Bank, right? Now if you want to add pay, then in that case you can select add payee option, select other bank over here. You need to select account type. You have to enter account number 2 times, just verify the IFSC code, verify the payee name. Down here you need to enter the payee nickname and you need to enter the payee mobile number. Once you enter all the details correctly, simply tap on continue option. It will give you a pop-up screen, and over there you need to confirm the details, and then you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and just confirm the pay. Now once you add new pay, where can you check it? Now currently you can see if you go to manage pay, let me go to home page. If you go to manage pay on home page and if you select other bank, you can check that other payee over here. You need to approve that payee from here, and after 30 minutes it will be activated. Now once the payee account is activated, you get active sign over here like this. So this is one way to add payee. Now how to do money transfer? So if you have already added a bank account, just simply select that bank account and you can complete the transaction. If you want to do quick transfer, then in that case select quick pay option, and over here it will ask you to enter the account details, and once you verify the details you can simply tap on continue option. You can go ahead and you can do the payment. Now as I said, I have already added a payee account over here. So if the payee account is active, select that account. On the next page, enter the amount which you want to transfer. So I want to transfer 1000 rupees for now. Select the transfer type. If you want to do RTGS, NEFT or IMPS, you can select that option. Now, what is the purpose of this transaction? This is just monthly expense. So I am selecting monthly expense. In your case, you can choose any other option. Tap on verify to confirm the account or to verify the payee name. Now you can see it is verified. When you want to do the payment, if you want to do it now, select now. If you want to do the payment later, you can just simply select later option. Tap on continue, verify the details, or you can just review the details, confirm. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, tap on submit, and now you can see the transaction is successful. If you want to share the details of this transaction, you have share or download option over here. You can share it with the account holder to whom you have transferred the amount. So yeah, that's how simple it is to do fund transfer or money transfer from your account to any other bank account using Zen Lyfe application. And don't get confused, this is the new application of Bank of Maharashtra. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.